On the other side, open up that pocket, fold down that flap, and flatten. Now take this top flap. This base is pointed towards you. Take this top section. This is the bottom wing of the butterfly. Take this top section and fold it down along this edge, like so. And same thing on this other side, fold it down along the edge. And you have a general shape of the butterfly. Now take your butterfly. Remember where the top is. The top is where the open section is. Fold the butterfly in half, like this. Take your thumb and index finger and form a little V, pinching it together on the top. And open the back, the butterfly wings back out, kind of a swivel fold. Open it back out and flatten, crease. And when you open up, you have the little body of the butterfly and the wings.